Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly the new way to get Monopoly Go free dice rolls. First, navigate to the Monopoly Go app on your mobile phone. After reaching the game, you can hit the Go button to start playing. Then, tap on the three lines shown at the top right corner. You'll see various options provided in the whole menu bar. Next, make sure to create your account on Monopoly Go. After that, reach the Safari or browser app on your mobile phone. Here, search for dicead.com in the provided search bar. It'll show you the website of DiceAd on your screen. Now enter your username in the given bar and select your device, either Android or iPhone. Then hit the proceed button and it'll search for your account. Next, it'll ask you select the dice rolls from the provided offers along with the pricing. Select any of the dice rolls that you want to tap on proceed. If you want other offers for different points and money, you'll be able to get these offers here. After that, proceed with it and it'll start processing for your deals. In the last step, tap on the Verify Now button to finish with synchronization process. The installer checker will check it and get the Travel Town app. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.